Come here. Don't, Shania, don't let me interview Shania.
No troubling. No troubling it.
Don't jump down. Be careful.
Oh, the star, no.
Get off of there. Get down. I don't want you to get hurt.
Go. And then it wraps and it goes down. And it goes down. And then this bulby thing, whatever, goes on top. Hey! No! No touching.
Easy.
No.
He ain't hurting nothing by just touching it like that. You two stop hitting each other. Is that Santa Claus? Shania, pull your pants up. Leave that alone, Shania. You're gonna fall. Stop.